Hey, this is Kendra with Signing Agent Basics, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you about notary bonds and errors and omissions insurance. One of the many things that you'll need to understand and possibly purchase when you become a signing agent is a notary bond and errors and omissions insurance. So what is the difference between a bond and errors and omissions insurance? And do you even need to have these items? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you my thoughts to help you make a decision. But first, I want to remind you that I am not an insurance agent or an insurance professional, and I would highly suggest that you speak with an insurance agent or professional if you have any questions about what type of insurance, if any, you should purchase. Also, while I am going to reference information and products from the National Notary Association and CNA Surety, they are not the only companies that you can purchase your bond or insurance through. You should definitely do your own research. Talk to an insurance professional and compare your insurance options from different companies before you make a decision. All right, so now that that's out of the way, what is insurance? Well, insurance is a means of protection from financial loss. It is a form of risk management primarily used to hedge against the risk of a loss. There is insurance to protect signers of the documents that you are notarizing, and there is separate insurance to protect you as the notary signing agent. So, do you even have to have insurance as a notary signing agent? Well, the answer to that question is yes and no. But before I go into detail about all of this insurance stuff, signing agents, are you already aware of what notary bonds and errors and omissions insurance are? Have you been confused by any of those items? Veteran signing agents, do you currently have a notary bond or errors and omissions insurance? Go down into the comment section right now and let me know. And no matter what, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Now, you can purchase a bond by contacting any insurance or surety company that sells notary bonds for your state, and they will guide you through the process, or you can purchase a bond as a part of a notary supply package. Some state-required bond amounts are as low as $500, but they can be as high as $25,000. You can find your state's bond requirement on the NNA website, and I have a link down below in the description box to that information. If there is a claim against your bond, the surety company's claim department will investigate, and they will contact you to obtain information about your involvement in the transaction. The surety company will often ask for a copy of the notary journal record for the notarization and other facts to help them determine the basis for the claim. If the surety company determines that the claim has merit, then they will negotiate a settlement or pay the full amount of the bond. The surety company may require you to repay any amount that they pay to satisfy the claim, including defense costs. For this reason, it is highly recommended that a notary public carry errors and omissions insurance for their entire term of office. Errors and omissions insurance, also called E&O, is a type of professional liability insurance that protects professionals against claims of inadequate work or negligent actions. In the case of notary signing agents, there are two types of E&O that you may find useful to purchase. The first and most widely obtained is notary E&O. Again, a notary bond is designed to protect the public, but it does not protect you as the notary. If a claim is made against your notary bond, you're required by law to pay it back. You could also be held personally responsible for any additional costs above the amount of your bond, which might include court costs, legal fees, and other expenses. Notary errors and omissions insurance will cover payments on your bond due to your honest notarial mistakes and omissions. Notary E&O will also help to protect you from things like financial damages from a notarization mistake or omission, unintentionally violating a law while notarizing, being named in a lawsuit even if you did nothing wrong, and an imposter counterfeiting your seal containing your commission information and forging your signature on a document without your knowledge. If you have a notary bond and an E&O insurance policy, your E&O policy could protect against lawsuits losses on your notary bond that you would otherwise be required to repay. And Notary E&O normally requires no deductible and no repayment of losses. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that Notary E&O only protects you from errors or omissions on notarial acts. However, we are also signing agents, and as signing agents, we have other responsibilities that do not include notarial acts, and our Notary E&O may not cover us for those acts. For that reason, you may choose to also purchase Signing Agent E&O. Signing Agent E&O is a newer product and it may or may not be available in your state. Signing Agent Errors and Omissions Insurance is specifically designed for notaries who assist with loan signings. The Signing Agent E&O policy kind of fills the gaps left with traditional notary errors and omissions insurance, which only provides coverage for actual notarizations in a loan package. Signing Agent E&O covers unintentional errors or omissions while the notary is acting as a signing agent. In addition to the notarizations, it covers such things as getting all other signatures and initials, correctly dating the documents, completing the signing in the time period specified, and promptly returning the signed documents. Defense costs are also covered within the coverage amount. I've got a link for Signing Agent E&O through CNA Surety down in the description box, but again, do your own research or talk to an insurance professional to determine what type of insurance and what insurance company is right for you. So, signing agents, was this video helpful? Do you now understand the difference between a notary bond, Notary E&O, and Signing Agent E&O? If so, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button right now. And you don't want to miss my upcoming videos where I tell you my thoughts about how much E&O insurance coverage you may need, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, if you found my videos helpful and you want to know how I can help to train you to be a more productive and profitable signing agent, go down into the description box for more information about my signing agent training program. And if you're not already following me on Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook, make sure that you do that today. Links to all of my socials are also down in the description box. No matter what, make sure that you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and then hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. This is Kendra with Signing Agent Basics, hoping that you have a productive and profitable day.